This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by. Discover this exquisite club villa at the Omni Resort, Amelia Island. This villa underwent recent renovations in 2020, featuring fresh paint and new carpets. The owners used it as a second home, furnishing it with brand new furniture in 2019, all included in the purchase. Step into an open concept kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, flowing seamlessly into the open floor plan. The dining and living areas, adorned with tile, lead to a spacious back patio with pavers. Enjoy the convenience of a half bath and a full-sized laundry room with outdoor storage. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms await, each with an ensuite bathroom and balconies through sliding glass doors. Experience easy access to pools, shopping, golf, tennis, miles of bike trails and the beach. For more information, review the details below or contact at 904-261-9311.